Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this 30 inch UPart wig. So I'm gonna tell you all about this hair and show you how I got this look. Keep on watching. Hey beauties, I'm back with a UPart wig this time, and it's straight and so long. This hair is also super flowy. It's soft. I can run my fingers through it. It's not tangling, shedding, or anything. So that is great. We got 3 little combs here. And then we have a comb on the bottom and some adjustable straps. So I love UPart wigs because they are really simple and quick and easy to install. So as you can see, well, let me put my wig down, okay? So I braided my hair in this easy little style, just super quick, and I kind of try to braid and tuck these hairs under. I did it a little bit earlier, but it came out, so I'm gonna tuck these some more with some bobby pins. Okay, I got my hair tucked. I didn't make it perfect because I really hate bobby pins and they stick through my head throughout the day. I don't know. I might snatch this wig off if the bobby pins aren't working for me. All right, so I'm unsnapping these little snaps here so they can be loose, and I never use the adjustable straps because my head's too big. And it's just that simple. Let's just adjust the back, make sure it's covering my braids. And look, we got a whole wig on, girl. Just that fast. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. It's like coming way past my crotch. I think this is like 30 inches. Don't quote me, because I can't remember what I asked them for. Then I'm gonna take some argan oil, spray it through this hair. Don't forget those ends, most important. And then I'm just gonna straighten this. Just gonna take small sections because this hair is pretty much already straight. It's just a little frizzy from being in the packaging. hair is so pretty and it looks super natural, other than the fact that I know I was not born with 30 inches, but it looks so good. I had to go in my room and show you guys the actual length, because when I usually do it in my beauty studio, you can't see the length. I want you guys to see, this is 30 inches, okay? 30 inches, and I'm tall, I'm 5'8". Let me back up even more. $30 I never had 30 inches. The longest hair that I had was 26 inches, and I love 26 inches. It fits perfectly. I love the UPart. It makes my hair look so natural. I got my natural hair out, blended in with this hair. Looks really good. It has a nice shine. It doesn't tangle or anything. Even with these inches, I've been wearing this for at least like 6 hours now, and I haven't had any tangling. And I wanted to try it out before I, came to you guys to make sure that this hair was official, and it definitely is. Sis loves it. Tell me what you guys think. Now, this hair is 180% density. To me, it doesn't feel like 180%. It feels more like 150. And my natural hair is on the thicker side, but I straightened it really well. Like I said, it's 30 inches. I can't stop saying 30 inches. This is a perfect wig if you're stuck in between like natural hair and you still love your inches. So, you can have your natural hair out and still have your inches. And just a little blend of both. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. And I want to thank WestKiss for sending me this hair. And until my next video, peace.